Hey guys, it's Michael. The USPS is replacing its 20-year-old aging fleet of gas-powered delivery vehicles very soon, and they are looking to order 140,000 new vans in a contract that's worth up to $6 billion. And this is where Workhorse comes into place because they specialize in making these electric delivery vans, and they are specifically designed for last mile delivery, and that is why Workhorse is up over 700% this year. So in today's video, we're first going to go over this USPS contract and how Workhorse is one of the last 3 finalists to win this $6 billion contract. Then we're going to go over how this contract will affect the stock moving forward and how likely they are to get it. And finally, we're going to touch on if Workhorse is a good investment right now or if you should invest elsewhere in the EV space. And if you enjoyed this sort of content, well then please be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. So the USPS has been looking to replace their delivery truck fleet for years now, and they announced that 2020 is the year that they will officially be ordering new ones. And this is a huge order, a huge contract. The mail trucks that the Postal Service is using right now are actually so old that they're having trouble recruiting automotive techs who know how to fix them when something goes wrong because they were built between 1987 and 1994. So it's definitely time for new ones. News has come out recently that there are several bidders on the USPS 140,000 vehicle contract have dropped out, and Workhorse is one of the 3 remaining finalists to win this contract. This is one of the main reasons why Workhorse stock continues to increase in price and why they're up so much in recent weeks. One of the finalists offers a plug-in hybrid, so gas and electric, and the other is just traditional gas vehicles. However, Workhorse is the last finalist, and they are the only contender offering a pure battery-powered electric solution, and that means that Workhorse vans have the advantage of lower maintenance costs, much lower fuel costs, and 0 emissions and no noise. It's the move towards sustainability moving forward. Shares of Workhorse jumped almost 16% yesterday on Friday, October 9th, because the market appears to be prepping for a decision on the US Postal Service very soon and who will win their contract. One thing to keep in mind though is if you're invested in Workhorse or you're looking to invest in it, the pending decision from USPS will make the Workhorse stock very volatile leading up until the decision. It could go up significantly, it could go down, and then the decision will ultimately impact what happens with the stock. So, how is this going to affect Workhorse moving forward? Should you invest in it? What's going to happen with this contract? Well, moving forward, all vehicles are ultimately going to start to transition to being electric powered and may eventually go to hydrogen fuel cell powered. But right now, Workhorse stock has a market cap of about $2.8 billion. And if they win the contract, that would guarantee them revenue of $6 billion. And many people believe that the contract could lead up to $8.1 billion in revenue. So for a company that has a total market cap of $2.8 billion, to have a contract that is worth $6 to $8 billion would be absolutely huge, and their stock, it would increase dramatically. Not only are they going to increase from just having an increase in revenue from the contract, but also couriers and other delivery businesses are going to take notice that Workhorse is the company that's making these vehicles for the USPS. Other businesses would take notice, and eventually these businesses would probably order from Workhorse as well. It gives them credibility, and ultimately other companies are going to look towards what USPS uses for their delivery vehicles because they know these would be reliable. So if you're an investor right now, leading up to the USPS decision, Workhorse is going to be very volatile. There's no way to know if it will go up significantly or go down, but most likely it's going to continue to go up leading up until the decision to try and factor in this $6 billion contract. However, if they lose the contract or they don't win for some reason, then the stock will definitely go down. One thing to keep in mind is Workhorse is the best fit to win this USPS contract because Workhorse is the only company in the 3 bidders who is offering a fully electric delivery vehicle. It would also appear to be best aligned with the future maintenance costs of the Postal Service, and it would make fuel costs very predictable as well. So if you're not invested in Workhorse right now, and if they win, you definitely won't want to miss out on this opportunity, and you definitely want to make sure you're in on this stock if they were to win this USPS contract. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.